we just wanted to show you. I am dry canning my flour. So I've got 3, 6, 9, 10, 11 jars in here. It's all my dishwasher. So I got the jars out of the oven, and they're cool enough. So now I'm going to put the flour in them and fill them to about that first line right there. So from what I've read and what I understand is, after you dry can your flour, when you open it up to use it, what the heck is beeping? Oh, the oven. When you open it up to use it, after the jars have been sealed, you are going to have to sift your flour. Not sure why. I've never done this before. So, just what I've been told is be prepared to have to sift your flour. Okay. And then I'm going to put down a couple of pot holders just so I can tamp it down a little bit. Okay, so they're full. So a 20-pound bag, 3, 6, so it gives me 8 half-gallon jars with a little bit left over, not much, but I can put that in the next batch because I do have another bag of flour. Okay, so I'm going to get these in the oven at 200 degrees. I think it was for an hour and a half, but I'll double check that. Okay, there they are. Boom. 2-hour timer. Hey, so the timer just went off, and I took one jar out, and I thought, oh, I got to record this. So, when I take them out, they're hot, hot, hot. And I'm just going to wipe that rim down one more time, make sure there's no flour on it. Hot, hot, hot. And you want to put those lids on. Now, normally when you put a canning lid on, you just put it down finger tight. But with these, you actually got to crank it down as tight as you can. Without burning yourself. And set it to the back. Let me show you what I did was, to get the rings warm, I just stuck them on a little empty spot right there, just to get them warmed up too. So I'm taking the jars out one at a time, and I'm leaving the oven on so that they stay a consistent temperature. And I pull out one jar and one lid, and then close the oven door. Wipe these down again, nice and clean. Put that on, and these lids are hot as well. tight as you can get them. Alright, let me grab another one. All done. So I'll just leave them sit here for 24 hours, overnight at least. I'm going to check those rings on all of them one more time. Make sure they're good and tight. Ooh, those are hot. Yeah, they feel tight. So these jars of flour now are shelf stable. I've heard 15 years. Yeah, those are all pretty tight. So technically I could open a jar. I could open up a jar and I could put it into a plastic container and load it in my trail Manor and take flour with me when I go camping. Yeah, those are good. Alright, oh, that didn't work. Oh well. Anyway, technically I was saying I could take a jar, because I don't want to take glass with me in the trail Manor. Well, as little glass as I have to. So I could open one of these up and put them in like a plastic Folgers coffee can, maybe in a Ziploc bag and inside of it or something, just to keep from having breakage, to keep from having the extra weight. So I could do that. But when these are all, probably tomorrow afternoon sometime, I'll run these down and put them in the basement just so I've got them. So that's I'm trying to find, I don't know if you can see out there, for the trail Manor, I'm trying to find, I saw a video where a guy had hooked up electric lifts to lift the shells up. I'm thinking if I could find that guy and figure this out, I could put that on my trail Manor and it would probably save my back a whole lot of damage. Anyway, I'm going to go shower and crawl into bed. I don't know what time it is. 12:30.